Yahoo and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I have a very special video. As you can see, I recorded some nice clips of my Yae Sakura, which is located in my garden. She's in full bloom right now and super beautiful, so that's why I wanted to share that with you. I also thought it would be a great opportunity to introduce to you my friend Momoko, which is from Japan, and we have been friends for more than 15 years now. We met on MySpace back in the days and have been friends ever since. We always send back and forth packages. I always send her some Haribo and also German chocolate because she loves that very much, and I always get some Japanese snacks and other things in return, which I really love, and it's always so much fun to open up the packages and then talk to each other afterwards, which we also did this week. I received my package on Tuesday and I talked to Momo for about 1.5 hours online. It's always so good to see her and to talk to her, so yeah, I was very happy. For now, let's enjoy a little bit more of the cherry blossoms and we will get into the unboxing a little bit later. Since we all can't travel right now and not all of us are lucky enough to be in Japan right now for Sakura season, I thought this way everyone could enjoy a little bit of Japanese spring. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Now let's get into the unboxing and see what Momoko sent over. As you can see, everything is wrapped up nicely so that nothing gets damaged in transit. Momo always prepares a cute little letter and sometimes even buys specific cards to send over to me. She knows that I love Shiba Inu, so she sent over a Shiba Inu card this time. I won't share the message because it's pretty private, but you can see that the card is very cute. First up, we have the Kappa Ebi-sen snack, which is in the special edition Sakura packaging for this year. As you might know, Japan always creates special packaging or even Sakura flavors for their different snacks, which is a great addition to the special springtime in Japan. Next is the Edamariko snack, which is of course edamame flavored, and the Kalbi Jagariko wasabi taste snack as well. Momo knows how much I love ochazuke, which is why she always includes some instant ochazuke packs as well. Next we have the Jagabi Butter Shoyu snack, which is soy sauce and butter flavored and very delicious. She also included some Chiza crackers, which look very nice and I'm looking forward to try. Next we have the cheese flavored curl snack, which is a corn snack. Momo knows how much I love my furikake, which is a seasoning that you can put on your rice. It comes in different flavors. My favorites are the noritama, which Momo of course included as always. I love to mix that with my gohan desyo, which is a nori paste basically. And Momo also sent over some pepper tama, which is new as far as I know, as well as some sukiyaki furikake and my favorite yukari furikake. Next is an assortment of the Nissin Minis, udon and also cup ramen, which I think is a great way to try different flavors. We are not done with the instant food. Momo also sent over the Nishimen Yokohama Family Ramen, which is in the flavor tonkotsu shoyu and includes also some mochi, which I can't wait to try. Next up is Glico's Pretz snack in the flavor smoky cheese, which sounds delicious as well. Of course, for every Japan meal we need some matcha Kit Kat. This one is the Otona no Amasa flavor, which basically translated to sweetness for adults. It's very delicious. I've tried it before, so if you go to Japan you should try it as well. Next is the Avocadosa cracker, which is the avocado version of the cheese cracker we've seen before, followed by Momo's favorite Family Mart snack, which is pickled plum, basically very sour but delicious. I love plums, so that's why she sent it over. Please excuse the overexposure and being out of frame for a little bit. I also received the new classic sakura flavored version of Kit Kat, which has the sakura leaf powder kneaded into the wafer dough and is wrapped in pink dyed white chocolate. As always, Momo sent over some essential instant miso packs. Of course, I can make miso soup from scratch, but it's always nice to have some instant ones as well if you are in a hurry. Now for some non-food items. Momo knows how much I love taking baths, so she always includes some Japanese bath salts as well. This time she sent some Ichigo, which is strawberry scented bath salts, as well as some Ringo Peach, which is apple and peach scented bath salts, as well as some other scents. Since Momo knows how much I love Shiba Inus, she always includes Shiba items. This time it's stationery, which I also love. Very unique, very colorful and super cute. Always makes me super happy to receive and use them. Everyone who knows me knows very well that I am a Japanese and Korean skincare fanatic and that I am addicted to sheet masks. So Momo always sends over some new sheet masks for me to try, which I really enjoy. She always picks the cutest, greatest and most unique ones. This time she sent over 2 different types of kabuki face packs, which include 2 sheet masks each, and she also sent over my favorite brand, Lururun sheet masks. This 7-pack is part of the Precious Green line, which is suited for mature skin and hydrates very well. Last but not least, we have 2 presents from Momo. Of course, the other goodies are presents as well, but like I said, she always includes special presents which she knows that I will love. This time she wrapped them very beautifully in this sakura patterned wrapping paper, and let's see what she got me this time. Carefully unwrapping the presents. I always do it this way because I hate tearing up beautiful wrapping paper like this. It's just way too precious and way too beautiful to just rip it apart, so that's why I always do it carefully. Momo actually went through the trouble of going to Starbucks to get me something from this year's Sakura edition. It's a special edition that comes out every year in spring. The first item, as you could see, was the furoshiki, which is a traditional Japanese wrapping cloth used to wrap and or transport goods. You can also use it to wrap up your bento box and go to a picnic or to work or whatever. And yeah, it's part of this year's Sakura edition, and as you can see, it has a very pretty pattern on it. And let me guess, the next item that I'm already unpacking is probably also from Starbucks. Yay! Turns out I was right. She sent me this very pretty light blue see-through tumbler which has sakura flowers and sakura petals embedded in it. And as you can see, it also has this very nice, I guess, metal detail on top with the Starbucks name engraved into it. I already thanked you personally, but again, thank Thanks so much, Momo. This really made my week. To everyone else, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've seen anything that interests you, please let me know in the comments below and I might do a follow-up video. So far, I hope you can still enjoy this lovely spring weather and that you can enjoy this springtime somehow, even though the situation might be difficult right now. But I promise you, we can get through this and things will get better so that we can travel again and enjoy life. Until then, stay real, keep it real, and have a wonderful week. Bye bye!